Good morning, guys. Rick here. Today is Monday, February 8th. Time is 8:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here's the trade that I'm in. I'm long at 80, 29.80, 10 contracts. Looking to pull half off. Just came off. I'm gonna adjust my stop to break even at this point. So here's what happened. I was actually long around 85, 10 contracts back here, and we just kind of was filling. And I decided to close that trade off at scratch and I waited for a pushback down here to 85 or 79, and I got filled at 80 at that point there. So all right, we got a little push up now, so um, going to watch here and see which way, how far we're going to go up. All right, guys, be back shortly. Okay, just took two contracts off at 30. Oh, well, they came off at 30.01, so that was 21 ticks. They're still in three contracts long at 29.80 down here. I am going to just let this joker ride, I do believe, unless I see some big numbers. And at this point, I don't. Still pre-market though too, so I'm going to, let me see where we at here. I'll leave my stop. I'll see at 80. Actually, I'm going to just leave my stop where it is for the moment, and I'll adjust up accordingly. All right, guys. Be back shortly. All right, we got a massive print right here at 1630, 16500 print. So at this point, I'm going to pull one more contract off at market and see where we come out at. Okay, one off at 3014. That's going to leave me two contracts long at 2980 down here. And my stop is now sitting at 29.90 right there. So actually, yeah, I'll leave it at 90. So, okay, guys, I'm going to pause the video, be back and see which way we go. Alright, guys, pretty decent push up going on here so far. So what I'm doing, I'm going to move my stop up to 30.00. Right here, take profit set at 30.80, which is right in this area here, just below or just above this previous day low, I believe that was. So and at this point I'm just gonna walk away and I will be back with an update and kind of see where we go from there. Alright, guys, I'll see you soon. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna pull one more contract off here. This is looks like to be a valid cluster. So what I want to do is secure a little bit more profit. So it's off at 30.41, so that leaves me one contract long at 29.80, and I'm definitely going to let this last one ride out to 30.80 if we get on up there. So we're still about 40 ticks away. So this is looking like a solid reversal cluster though. So stop is moving up to 30.10. And that will lock in 30 ticks on that end. And final take profit set at 100 ticks. So, all right, that should be good for adjustments there. So, all right, I'll be back shortly. All right, so we've been amongst some chop for a little while. Look like it's kind of breaking out. It's really difficult to say still, but let me see if we can get back here. So this has been some kind of chop. This was actually bouncing off of here the VWAP and then Friday's one deviation line. So still looking for a push up on this end. So some aggressive sellers coming in, but I'm still in a good area. As far as my entry at 29.80, I'm moving my stop up to 20. That'll lock in 40 ticks, and then final target still up at 80. Up in this area here for 100 ticks. So look like we may actually be getting a turnaround. Probably I'll give it a little bit, see if we can get in the over bought area, and that one will close in the next 30 minutes or 28 minutes or so. So I'll just kind of keep an eye on it and see where we could possibly push up to. But This is actually looking like a turnaround. So if that's the case, I'll just adjust my stop up a little more. Actually, can I do that now? 30. Yeah, I'm gonna move a stop on up to 30, and that'll lock in 50 ticks. And that's actually pretty good, and that should be enough for the day. So, alright guys, I'll be back shortly, and we'll see where we at. Okay guys, so just got stopped out at plus 50 ticks at 30.30, so that's the end of this trade and end of this video. So actually at profit margin, a couple scalps earlier today too, but that was a decent 50 tick run up from a stop, and then see I scaled out I think around 40, 41, somewhere in there. So alright guys, thanks for watching, we'll see you next video.